Hello, welcome to our early years singing assembly. Let's put our hands in the air and go, hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Now, this week, I think the nursery have been thinking about people who help us. And some of the people who help us are people like doctors and nurses, firefighters, farmers who grow all the food we need to eat, and what about friends? Friends help us. So I've chosen some songs today that are going to be about doctors, firefighters, farmers and friends. So let's start with a song about doctors, Miss Polly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. The doctor looked and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote a prescription for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. Shall we sing it again? Here we go. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. The doctor came and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote a prescription for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. There we go. Doctors and nurses, those are people who help us when we're not well. But what about if there was a real emergency? If something caught fire, then we'd need some firefighters to come and put it out and keep us all safe. Let's sing our firefighters song. 5 little firefighters standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. How many have we got now? 4? 4 little firefighters standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, shh, they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. How many have we got now? 3. 3 little firefighters standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, shh, shh, they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. And now we've only got 2. 2 little firefighters standing in a row. 1, 2, shh, 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 they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. And now there's only 1, all alone. 1 little firefighter standing all alone. 1, shh, 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 they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. And now, how many have we got? Naught, nil, nix, niente, none. No little firefighter standing in a row. Shh, 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 they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. There we go. How about we sing a song about farmers? Because farmers grow lots of things for us to eat. And they have sheep and cows and pigs, and they grow barley and wheat and all sorts of wonderful things. Oh, and fruit. Let's not forget fruit and vegetables. Oh my goodness, the list goes on and on. So how about a song about a farmer called Old MacDonald? He had a cat and a sheep and a cow. Okay, so we're going to sing about his cat, his sheep and his cow. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. What was next? Can you remember? Sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Ma! Goodness me. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ma here and a ma there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. What was the other one? It was a cow. You know what sound a cow makes. Moo! Oh my goodness. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There we go. Now, how about we sing a song about people who really help us all the time? Our friends, because our friends give us love. So let's sing about love. Love is something if you give it away. Give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you end up having more. It's just like a magic penny. Hold it tight and you won't have any. Lend it, spend it, you'll have so many they'll roll all over the floor. Love is something if you give it away. Give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you end up having more. Now, remember we've got to clap as well. Let me just show you. We go. Love is something if you give it away. Give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you end up having more. Should we try that one more time? At the end of each line, pop, pop, 2 short claps. Clap, clap. Okay, let's try it again. Love is something if you give it away. Give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you end up having more. Did you manage to get the claps in? They're quite fast, aren't they? It's quite difficult doing it and playing the piano as well. Right. The middle bit goes like this. It's just like a magic penny. Hold it tight and you won't have any. Lend it, spend it and you'll have so many. They'll all roll over the floor. We've got this, haven't we? Shall we sing the whole thing? Here we go. Got your clapping hands ready? Clap, clap. Should we just practice? Clap, clap. Okay, we're ready. Love is something if you give it away. Give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you end up having a more. It's just like a magic penny. Hold it tight and you won't have any. Lend it, spend it and you'll have so many. They'll all roll over the floor. lots of songs today about people who help us. Doctors, nurses, firefighters, farmers, friends. What about teachers? Think about all the grown-ups who help you every day. What about bus drivers and train drivers? And people who clean the streets and keep everything clean and good for us? There are so many people you could think of who help us. Have a lovely rest of the week, and I will be doing a singing assembly with you again next week.